Where is this place in Vancouver?
This sawmill in Granville Island is an example of how old industries were reconstructed and redeveloped to adapt to changing social and political environment.
In the early 20th century, the construction of the CPR in BC allowed development in industries such as forestry, mining, construction, and shipping.
During World War II, industries were concentrated in shipbuilding to contribute to the war effort.
It wasn't until the post-war period in which we saw a decline in the heavy industries because of the falling demand.
Government intervened by partnering with the private industries for reclamation of this area for redevelopment.
The old industrial buildings were slowly transformed to sites of housing, parkland, and unique retail centers, which is what we see today.
The buildings of old industries continue to tell a story about the past legacy.
As we head into 2011, celebrating Vancouver's 125th anniversary, we can expect the growth and evolution to continue. Welcome to the City of Vancouver.